very yummy pizza, guys. Wait, it's so funny. This one was cut like triangle. How come? The other one was cut like this. Wow, I can't believe that. They cut like that, and the other one cut like a triangle. Well, that's good. You don't eat. Oh
and
my
Mommy's purse.
purse.
And purse.
These
Purse,
kids
yes, purse.
don't eat their lunch. Now we have our Friday afternoon pizza.
Everything. Look. You got it.
Guys, if you buy pizza, guys, make sure that you have to put away the boxes. So what kind of pizza is this, sweetie? What kind of pizza? Italian pizza. Ooh, this is good. These kids really didn't eat their lunch. After school, they're supposed to eat their lunch, but they didn't eat it. Okay. Yummy. With jalapeno.
I want to eat first. I'm hungry.
Yeah, eat now.
We have ranch.
Go get it. Well guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching. And sa lahat ng hindi pa nakasubscribe, please click the subscribe button to Jennifer's Clubhouse.
Oh,
Well, ngayong hapon, ngayong gabi guys, alas 6 na. No. Ano pa lang, 4 pa lang siya guys. Galing kami sa doctor dahil dito sa US, you need a meningitis vaccine. Nagpa-vaccine itong isa kong anak.
we don't have ranch.
Ranch. Oh, it's already. I threw it away because.
Hey, that's
it's
gonna
expired.
go over. That's like. What?
Where's my place?
Yeah, there is your place. You go sit down. I'm done already. Oh my gosh, it's been a while that we haven't eaten a pizza, isn't it, sweetie? Gutom na gutom or hungry from the clinic dahil napunta kami doon because of my daughter's vaccination. Hindi COVID guys, vaccination for college. Dito guys, you have to have all the vaccination you need for college. She got 3 vaccination needed. And ngayon sana is the meningitis, but hindi siya nakakuha nung last vaccination na she grew up like 15 years old, something like that, because we live in London. Okay. So she got 2 vaccination. I also na have fever. Mostly pag may vaccine, mag-fever ka eh. So hopefully walang problema. She got 2. You're brave. And just hungry. She likes to go to, what store is that? What store or what burger you want? Wendy's? But I said no. Daddy said no. Too much in there. So we just get our pizza because it's Friday night. We can watch the movie again. Selena Gomez. You have your homework a lot? Okay. You can watch first, relax your brain, and then after we watch, you can sleep a little bit and then do your homework. What's your plan? So in the Philippines, maski we have a lot of homework there. Pero easy na natin because the teacher explained it to us first, and then we have a quiz, and then we have homework. Homework, it's just a follow-up of what the teacher told us during that day, during your lesson, you know. But here, homework first, you have to study the lesson first, and then, you know, iba, baliktad. Kaya dito mga bata, they have to finish their homework until we are like 5 o'clock, 4 o'clock in the morning. I'm so worried. After school, matulog lang sila sometimes. Power nap, 1-2 hours or 50 minutes, and then do your homework, tapos makatulog sila, and then gising na naman. Oh, grabe. But their school is an honor school throughout the US. So, yan. Do you know that a friend of my friend, Anandita, moved? They have to move there. They have to move because the kid cannot handle the homework at your school. It is, yeah. So they have to move for the sake of giving the kid a break because in that school, guys, oh my gosh. But I'm so proud. My eldest, guys, is an honor student. Yes. A senior. Get a plate. Well guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching. And sa lahat ng hindi pa nakasubscribe, please click the subscribe button.